In his name we start. In this period we are going to work applications about compound fractions, starting with exercise 8 on page 68. First of all, I'm going to work a 1 as an example, and you will work the others. Okay? So I will choose part 5 to work it and to show you how to make the procedures and how to find the value of z. First of all, we have part 5, z over minus 35 over 3 inside parentheses equal 18 over 7. First of all, this is called an equation. This is an equation in one unknown. What is the meaning of equation?
معادلة.
Meaning of an equation.
معادلة.
Okay. The equation is an expression that consists of, first of all, the equal. And we have this equal, before it a left-hand side, and after it a right-hand side. Here, this is the equal. The equal here is like a balance. Equal. This part is called the left-hand side, LHS, left-hand side, and this part is called the right-hand side, RHS. This equal says that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, or the right-hand side is equal to the left-hand side. I can write this equation starting from the right-hand side. And I can say 18 over 7 equal z over minus 35 over 3. And I can say z over minus 35 over 3 is equal to 18 over 7. And for example, we can read the equal from both sides. We can say here a equal b, or we can start by b equal to a. Okay? So this is an equation. The equation is an expression that consists of an equal. Equal is like a balance, and on the balance we have left-hand side, a left pan or right pan. Also here we have left-hand side, this is one, and right-hand side, this one. To solve this equation, there are some conditions that should be satisfied. First of all, the method of solution should not change the value of this equation. This is a note that should be known necessarily. This is an essential note, and the method of solution should not change the value of this equation. I choose methods to keep the equal for both sides. Okay? So here, let's continue. Present, we have z over minus 35 over 3 equal 18 over 7. I have to choose a method here. I have more than one method to solve this equation. Here we have z over. We can put this over as a fraction. Okay? And we can take this fraction to the other side and change the over to what?
2 times.
2 times to multiply. فإذا then the first method I take this fraction to the other side, but I change the over into multiplication. Okay, so then we have z equal the z stays in the first hand side, z equal the left hand side was 18 over 7. I keep it like it is, 18 over 7, and I'm going to take this minus 35, which was over here, to the other side, and it becomes what? Times. And it becomes times minus 35 over 3. In this case, I didn't change the value of the equation. I'm just performing it to find the value of the unknown. Also, in this equation, we should say that the z is called what? The unknown. Unknown, which is the value or the letter that we are going to find its value. So we continue now here. I didn't change the value of the equation. I just took this fraction from this side, which was z over, to the other side. It becomes 18 over 7 times minus 35 over 3. Okay, so now we continue. Z. These are two fractions multiplied by each other. As the rule says, what does the rule say? How do we multiply fractions?
نضرب النيوميريتور بالنيوميريتور والدينومينيتور بالدينومينيتور.
Very good. We multiply the numerator by the numerator. 18 times minus 35 over 7 times 3. If I forget the minus, this means that I'm changing the value of this equation, and it will be false. It will be wrong. Okay? Now, before multiplying here and getting larger numbers, we can simplify. 18, for example, and 3. Are they simplified by each other? What's the greatest common divisor between 18 and 3? It is 3. So 3 by 1, 3 by 3 is 1, and 18 by 3 is what? 6. Also, we have minus 35 over 7. I'm making it more simple to work. It's not necessary that you multiply them and you get large numbers. We can simplify first. 35 and 7.
7.
What is the greatest common divisor between 35 and 7? 7 by 7. 7 by 7, 1, and 35 by 7, minus 5. We keep the minus. The minus stays. So, now we multiply 6 times minus 5 is minus 30.
Minus 30.
Over 1 times 1, 1. Finally, Z, the final answer, Z is equal to minus 30.
Minus 30.